Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Blue color. The next one is yellow color. Green color. Red color. And the next one is black color. Kids, the last one is brown color, and now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets. First we draw A, and now we use blue color. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw C. C for cat. C for cat, C for cow. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E, and now we use yellow color. Yellow color. Now we draw E. E for elephant. The next one is F. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we draw F. And the next one is G. G for God. Now we draw G. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw H. And the next one is I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we use green color. Green color. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. We again use green color, and now we draw L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we use red color. Red color. O for orange. Now we draw O. And the next one is P. P for penguin. Kids, now we draw P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. And now we draw R. R for rose. The next one is S. S for snake. S for sun. Now we use black color. Black color. Now we draw S. S for sun. The next one is T. T for tiger. And now we draw U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V for van. And now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. Now we draw X. And the next one is Y. Now we use brown color. Brown color, brown color. Y for yolk. Now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.